Alright, guys. Yeah, still out here doing all this. And we got, look, it's lined up here. Yeah, we got our auger lined up where we need it there. Got string out of my way. Yeah, auger's decently square that way. Thankfully, that auger is bigger than the post we're putting in the ground, so we do got some play with it. Oh! And keep the old PHGO on. Let it go. And yeah, guys, this is dead idle, just to show it don't take no power to run one of these. And come on, get in gear there. There we go. But yeah, shows how hard it is to run one. Dead idle on this 3000. I did finally get it started. Had to jump it off the little Massey. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but that white spot right there is about where my next hole needs to be. So I'm just going to get over here and get decently lined up. Oh! Yeah, I gotta get it decently lined up over that white hole. Move my string back, and that's a 10-inch auger, and we're using 7/8 post, so that means I need to go in to about right here with that string to pretty well center it. And I'm just punching the holes for the post. After I get all of them dug, then I just scoop up the post with the Massey, drop them in here using the old post hole digger for just grubbing out all the excess, because if you look down in the hole, you see all the extra dirt versus that hole. This does 99% of the work. And brand new, they cost too much money if you ask me. Let's see here. Move something off of there. Lower the 3-point here just a little bit. Figured I'd take y'all through the process of doing this. Take the pressure off of that. Come on. Alright, fine. Be a pain. Hydraulics on that tractor are jerky. Need some of that clay off there. But as you can see, we're too far back. So it means I just got to pull that thing forward a little bit. Probably leave it set because it is leaning, as you can see. I'll roll the tractor forward just a little bit to square up that, and it should be just about right. And then I'll move my string line to this post and the one that's on the other side. Mark it, and using just an old can of flex seal that half works. Because I just need a little dab to mark where our posts are going. That'll give us, that white mark, so I know where to roughly put the bit. And then after that, set those posts in the ground, pack dirt in and around them, make sure they're pretty decently level and plumb, and then start setting up 2x6s. And that one there is getting worked out right now. That one there is getting ready to get the work out. I mean, that little tractor, we've probably put 5 or 6 hours on it since it's been out here, and it might have burnt a quarter tank of fuel. That one there's got probably about the same amount of run time on it, and fuel gauge really hasn't moved on it. Of course, it does have a little bit bigger tank, but for this whole timber frame project, we got about a whole thing of chisels, and I mean, these are Harbor Freight specials, so nothing particularly fancy. They are good and sharp, which is really all you need. And let's see here. Drop that back in there so it'll stand. Got a 5-pound dead blow. Been needing one anyway. Didn't cost next to anything. Beam cutter. That beam cutter is like 70 or 80 bucks out at Harbor Freight, so it's not bad. Put it on the saw. Old drill for running these big old drill bits. One of them comes from Harbor Freight, one comes from Lowe's. And the one from Lowe's is the 3/8 here, obviously, but we got it for boring the hole for these nails. We're not going to bore the whole length of them, just enough to where we don't split out the wood. Went and got me a little 3-pound sledge, because you're not driving one of these spikes. I mean, they're 10-inch spikes. You're not doing that with a normal hammer. And when we get ready to start doing the 2x6s, I'll drag the air compressor and the air nailer down here, because I'm not swinging a hammer any more than need be. Too much of a pain to do it. And I mean, honestly, we picked the layout, the orientation of the building, and got materials brought in. And the hardest part was just starting off, getting these outside ones lined up and positioned where we want them. These inside ones go pretty quick. I've been fiddle-farting around, not really going real hard or fast with it. And honestly, of actual work on this, we might have 8 hours, maybe 10 worth of actual work on this. I mean, we just move around and talk, and like I just got off the phone, sitting around here doing nothing. Yeah, I'm the only one out here today, but that's one reason why I'm not going super hard and fast with it. I got to make sure to do it and do it right. But this shouldn't be too bad or too difficult to actually get everything out. And after I get all these holes drilled, get the post put in the ground, then I might make another video. That may be today, that may not be, I don't know, but we'll see.